Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Calaria, and in today's class we are going to learn how to draw leaves. Okay, for this we have to learn how to draw curves, which we have already learned, but still I'll tell you once again. We have learned to draw curves in this way, right? And we have already learned some waves in this way, and we have already learned these curves, right? Using these curves we'll try to draw leaves. So for this, what we have to learn prior to drawing a leaf, what we have to learn? We need to learn how to draw small lines. We have learned until now to draw the big lines in this way, right? In this direction and in this direction also we have learned. So now we'll try to draw small lines. Say like this, 1, 2. We'll practice these lines at least for 30 times. Okay? So that we can become perfect. And after these lines we'll try to draw curves which have equal distance here and here. Okay, we'll just draw curves. Draw these also giving equal distance in this way, and practice these also 30 times. Right, after this we'll try to practice these curves, practice these curves, and again practice these curves. Everything each for 30 times. Don't work 30 to 100 times. If at all you have time, practice 30 to 100 times each. And this gives a very good practice, and you can become perfect in drawing curves and waves, right? So why are we drawing this? Why are we practicing this? Now where are these used? Why are we drawing? We'll just learn this. Okay, this curve. Using this curve we'll just give, see, we have drawn even this, and now we'll draw, yeah, using this we'll try to draw a leaf. Okay, we have used this over here, and this we'll be drawing here, and this we'll be drawing here. So this forms a simple leaf, very simple leaf. Okay, so for this again some leaves would be, okay, let us draw using this once again the middle vein. Okay, and now we'll draw one more using a small curve. We have given a curve over here. Using the semicircle we have given a curve over here. Okay, so for this what you have to practice? For this, practice this in this way. We'll give a small curve over here. Okay, here we have practiced just the curve, and here we are going to practice this curve using a small curve over here. Okay, in this way. Practice even this also for 30 times. This is a minimum count. Okay, and this also, see, in this way, in this way. Give equal distance and practice these for number of times so that you can become perfect. And see that you don't practice like some practice whenever we are doing, we'll just try to do in this way. No, don't give this. Okay, don't give this. We need a very confident curve. We need a very confident line. Okay, so practice this, and when you practice you get that confidence and you can do miracles. Okay, after drawing few, we'll just try to draw a few curves. We'll try to draw one more leaf. So just practice this in this way and this. Okay, now let us try to give some veins for the leaves. Now how do we give leaves? So many of us draw leaf and veins in such a way like this, right? And some draw, especially kids, okay, ask them to practice properly, and some draw in this way. without any shape or say just in that way. So these both are wrong. Okay, so how should we draw the veins? For example, we have drawn this leaf. Okay, we have drawn this leaf. Simple basic leaf. Now how to give the vein? See, we have this part in this way. So we'll give the vein also in this way. Okay, in this way. In this way. Let this continue. This should continue in this shape. Okay, and now we have here in this. So this. So can you see the difference between these three? This, and this. So this is the correct way of drawing the perfect leaf. Okay. So this is how we draw the basic shapes of the leaves, and for practicing this we need to practice these lines, curves and all. So you should be perfect in this and keep drawing. I hope you all understood very well. If any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. If you like it, please share, and do subscribe the channel for many more basic tips in the drawing and many more. Thank you for watching.